Hello, welcome to the F1 News channel. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the news. You can replace this text with any text you wish. You can either write in this text box or paste your own text here. Try different languages and voices. Change the speed and the pitch of the voice. You can even tweak the SSML, Speech Synthesis Markup Language, to control how the different sections of the text sound. Click on SSML above to give it a try. Enjoy using text-to-speech. However, Wolff believes that $500,000 can make a difference. It's called a minor breach because I think the word is probably not correct, he said recently. If you're spending another $5 million and you're still within the gap, it still has a big impact on the championship. To give you an idea, we obviously closely monitor what parts are being brought to the track by the top teams at every race last year and in 2022, Wolff said. We can clearly see that there are two top teams that are pretty much the same in terms of spending, and there is another team that spends more. We know exactly that we are spending $3.5 million a year on parts that we bring to the car. So you can see the difference it makes spending another $500,000, he added. The Mercedes boss also drew attention to his team's heavyweight W13, reportedly one of the heaviest cars on the grid in 2022. While Wolff would have spent the money to create a lighter chassis, he claimed that Mercedes couldn't do it within budget limits, so it just didn't. We didn't produce the car to reduce the excess of 2 pesos, because we can't use parts for that money, he said. So we need to do that for the next car, added Wolff. The FIA has kept quiet about how much more Red Bull spent than it could have done in 2021, but the talk in the paddock is somewhere between $7 million to $7.25 million. If these figures are correct, it is clear that Red Bull has gained an undue advantage in the development of its 2021 car. How the FIA intends to penalize the team remains to be seen. In your opinion, the Red Bull should be punished?